How much bandwidth is required to stream 1080p? I am wondering how much bandwidth is required to stream a 1080p movie from, for example, YouTube. I am aware that there may be things such as compression that come in play here, but can anyone provide a good answer for this anyways?
Compressing using X264, a typical file ends up somewhere around 8 GB for 100 minutes of movie. To stream this without problems, you need a speed of 8 GB/100 minutes equals 1.3 MB/s equals 10 MB/s. It is directly dependent on compression rate, and more correctly, bitrate, though. YouTube compresses material quite strongly. Try downloading a 1080p YouTube video with some of the many available services and divide by length to get an average bitrate, or check the bitrate directly with some tool. Your connection simply needs to be able to handle the audio plus video bitrate.
I was able to calculate the bandwidth and storage for a 1080p video, with additional parameters, on this website. This URL. H.264 compressed 1080p HD at 30 fps. High video quality, not sure what that means. Average frame size, 50 kilobits. Bandwidth required per camera, 12.0 MB/s. Estimated storage, 24 hours per day 31 days, 4 TB.
I downloaded Net Balancer to figure out how much data streaming 1080p clips on YouTube uses. I tested 10 different clips from various users on YouTube including Video Game Donkey and Cinemasins and found regardless if they are 1080p 60 fps or just 1080p the clips used 660 to 680 kilobits per second equivalent to about a 5.5 megabit connection. I'm not sure how YouTube encodes but that speed was close to my ADSL connection's max speed. 720p used anywhere between 320 to 370 kilobits per second equivalent to 2.75 megabit. By definition 1080p contains 2.25 times more pixels to 720p so this is pretty close. Maybe YouTube uses better encoding for 1080p. Hope this helps.
This URL says YouTube takes about 3.5 to 8 MB/s. This URL says YouTube takes 3.5 MB/s though it wasn't clear if that was 720p or 1080p.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.